course, Miriam. We're changing places today.
Yes.
Look how hot she is. Yes, we have something. Tess, isn't she hot?
She's always hot.
She's always hot, mama. Enjoy. Bye. Anka bin-nuċċali tagħmilha, of course. It's a lovely place. So, Mir, you're the first. No, I was the first girl to go.
Always.
I'm not a diva.
No. But you're always first.
So-
So you can inspire us. Although I won't get on the top.
This is our second shoot together. Remember, back in 2020, before the pandemic.
Mela.
Yes, I can't forget that stupid year. So Miriam was next after me for her. I think the lights. Let's go this way. No, it's worse. No.
It's the sun.
Yes, 'cause it's amazing. It's an amazing. It feels like a summer day. Yeah?
Yes, spring day actually. Spring day.
So Miriam is done. I am done. Obviously we have more shoots coming because we have a very particular prop now.
Fran is being done now.
Yes,
And then we have another
because we have another
Francesca.
Fran. We have two Frans here. So
And Caroline.
Fran,
Our diva.
Miriam's daughter, is currently doing the photos. Now we have Miss My Diva inside preparing, and then our flamboyant and vivacious and sexy Francesca, the tigery sexy Francesca,
Meow.
because I want to see what she's gonna bring to the table. I mean, we've been planning for this shoot, I think
For
in
quite a bit,
January,
yes.
But now, God gave us an amazing day and we're going to make the most of it. So, on to, it's either Francesca or My Diva inside, Caroline. And guys, as you can see, far there is Francesca shooting with Miriam and Tess. She looks amazing. All our models are looking amazing. Such an amazing place here at Argotti. Look, if we can only preserve the beauty of Malta. Such an amazing day. Tess. We're continuing our vlog. So, Mr. Photographer.
Who?
Mr. Photographer.
Ah.
Are you happy so far?
I am. I was really happy until it started getting really cold though.
Yes, it's because
It was gorgeous and then
yes,
it just
was
went boom.
lovely. 2 hours ago, it's still a lovely day, but it's grown a little bit colder. I think we'll be
There's some
soon
really nice shots coming
calling
now.
it. Yes, like always. We have so many shoots.
Mhm.
We had our Valentine's shoot. I think by the end, when this vlog comes out,
You
the
can put out
birthday one
You
will
can
be
put out a
out.
full catalogue.
Yes, and for those who are saying and who wish to for me to have an OnlyFans account, yes, I will be charging like 10,000 euros for a photo of my legs, and watch out for my OnlyFans account. Yes, we're going to be super rich on OnlyFans. Joking apart, it's not training. Go.
No.
Please don't train on us.
No,
we have one more
we've got
shoot.
last shot to do yet.
So let's continue. Ina, you took off your shoes. I don't feel like I have legs with these stupid heels that I took out.
my porch.
Yes, look.
My fluffy.
Hey, Tess. Hi,
Rachel.
Some of us
Caroline.
having to pack their rubbish
Hello,
away.
Fran. Hello, Fran. Hello, Caroline. Hello, Glenn.
Glenn,
Hang on.
Miriam.
I'm here
There's
to
a
hi.
dot. Yes. So, we have concluded another amazing photo shoot with these amazing, beautiful, gorgeous ladies. Yes, I'm super, super excited. Thank you so much. Caroline, My Diva inside, Francesca and Francesca.
No, they're both the Frannies.
And obviously Miriam, who was this time with me on set, on camera.
Yeah.
On camera,
On
not on
camera,
set, because
on
Joe's on
the
set.
Always
other
on set.
My My knees. I'm reaching 39 and I can't feel my knees. So, thank you, Taz. And where's Glenn? Hi, Glenn. So, thank you guys. Make sure to watch out for these photos coming very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, not just my channel, but also to MTLATV Media House and also My Diva Inside, Francesca, the other Francesca, where are you? Subscribe to everyone. Stay safe, keep manifesting those dreams, and we'll see you next time. Love you guys.
Bye.